I'm back again with another green gold review. This is just to answer a few questions that I'm getting, right? I want to make things easy and simple for everyone. If you've got questions, drop on the comments below. Let me know what you're experiencing, what you don't understand and stuff. So I just want to make this video as short as possible. Let's dive right into it. Green Gold is from Finland. We already know that. They've been registered and operating since 2013. The founder is Adam Duran, right? Since 2013, they've been planting trees. They've planted over 2 million trees right now. So those trees, when they cut them, they sell as hardwood. They sell seedlings every year. So whether we join, whether we do not join, whoever is already invested with them is safe. The company won't collapse because there are no new people joining. It doesn't depend on that. It's already generating its own money through selling carbon credits, through selling hardwood, through selling seedlings and so forth. Okay, when you invest a minimum of $25 up to $1,000, right? You earn 1.6% daily, Monday to Friday. On weekends you do not earn, right? We got that part. So weekly is 8%, monthly is 35.2% of your investment. Okay, we are done there. Next, someone asked me, why is my team bonus, my daily credit, my career bonus, my reference bonus not appearing on my balance in USD? You see that arrow? I wanted to make that clear. Listen, what happens is your reference bonus is when you refer someone new, that someone joins through your link, you earn 15% of the money they invest, whether they invest $25 or $1,000, you get 25%. Or they start with $25 and they keep upgrading, you're still gonna get that 15% whenever they upgrade. That money is going to be there on your USD balance. Team bonus is your binary bonus, that 10% you get when you have points on your left side and points on your right side. To be binary qualified, you need to refer one person on your left and one person on your right, and those people must have invested, and then you are binary qualified. So the side that has less points is the side that is going to give you 10%. If you have 1,000 points on your left and 900 points on your right, you're gonna get 10% of 900. That is $90. It's gonna appear there on your team bonus, but all of your bonuses, all of your balances and whatsoever, they're going to be combined there where it says balance in USD. Carbon daily credit is the amount that you get, your return of investment, which is 1.6%. Career bonus, as you move up the ladder, as your team grows, from you referring people, your team referring their own people and so forth, you get so many points. So you must refer to the PDF presentation. You will say how many points you need to rank up and get those bonuses. So everything you see here, the reason the balance is like that now is because I've been withdrawing and whatnot. But all your balance shows there. If you were trying to activate your account and then you sent money that was not enough, or you sent more than you should be sending, the remaining money will show on your BTC balance. Or if you sent money that is not enough to activate whatever, it's gonna show there, and when you try to buy ECOs again, it's gonna show you how much is short. So you just add how much is short and then the money will be deducted. We are done there. If you didn't hear me properly, please replay. I want to make it short and simple. Okay, here it is. How much you earn? No recruiting necessary. However, if you recruit, you get the bonuses. You saw this, right? You see the bonus, team bonus. Check my daily carbon credit. That's the return of investment. So if I didn't recruit, let's say, I would still be having $29 in the account. But because I recruited, listen, this is $10,000. So recruit. Even one person a day, it's more than enough. The investment table, $25. The cost is $25. Of course, you have to cover the Bitcoin fees because you'll be paying using Bitcoins. Per day, here are the earnings. Monthly, here are the earnings. And the minimum to withdraw. You see, the minimum to withdraw for $25 is $10. $50, the minimum is $10. $100 package, the minimum to withdraw is $25. $250, the minimum to withdraw is $60. $500, the minimum to withdraw is $100. $1,000, the minimum to withdraw is $150. Right? It's a once-off payment. The renewal cycle is after 12 years. your contract will be paying you that 1.6% for 12 years from the day that you activated. There are new ranks now. There's people who have ranked up to gold 10 and got that bonus of 150,000 US dollars. So the owner said, you know what, let me put more ranks because these people are serious, they want to make money. So here are they. You see, gold 1, you need 2,500 you need 2,500 points on your lowest leg. So the lowest leg is the side that has less points. So there you get $50. Gold 2, here are the points, 10,000 points on your lowest leg. You get 150 US dollars. It goes up to it was up to gold 10. Now they added gold. There's no gold now. It's gold carbon, and then green legend. You are done. You are done there. So let's subscribe. Let's turn on notifications. Let's like. Drop your comments on the comment box. Let me know what you think, what you're not understanding, the challenges. You want to contact support, you don't know the email address. Someone asked me that. Hopefully you did see that I replied to you. I sent you the email address. Whatever questions you have, let me know. Let's work together. Let's make money. I'm gonna send the link on the description box. Join my team.